This is my first Christopher Ward watch that I received from Christopher Ward company. Thank you so much for sending this to me to do a review on this watch. I was eyeing the Christopher Ward watches for many years and I liked what they're doing, I liked their design. But my problem was that I had to order this from Great Britain, from overseas to Canada, and I would have to pay taxes and duties and all this stuff, which is not a really big deal, but I prefer mostly to do the shopping within Canada and sometimes US when I travel there. But I got this package from Christopher Ward company. I'm really grateful for that and I'm really excited to see their watch in the metal for the first time in my life. So let's get to it. All right. Okay, the box looks long. Here it is. Let's get rid of this one. All right, I like the material, and look at this, we have some wood here. This side is some soft material, and here looks like real wood. So let's try to open it. It's not easy to pull it off, but I see that the box is opening already, but it's opening a little bit weirdly here. Okay, here it is, and I got something stuck in there. Alright, it's coming off here. Okay, that's how it's supposed to go. I think it just stuck here for some reason. Oh man, look at this. It's ripped here. So yeah, I think it was supposed to be okay. Here how it was supposed to go. Okay, this thing is separately, and the box is right here. The actual box is right here. This part is wood and this part is just soft material here. Let's open the box. The packaging is really nice. It's made out of wood. Looks pretty nice. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is just a piece of cloth which is put nicely here, and here are the booklets. Booklets and instruction here. When the guys from Christopher Ward reached out to me, they asked which watch I would like to review, and this was the watch that I was eyeing for some time already, and I liked the design, I liked how it was on the pictures, I liked how it was on the other YouTubers' reviews, and so that was my obvious choice, because this was the watch that I mostly wanted to see in the metal, to check out in the metal. So this is C63 Sealander GMT, and we got an owner's handbook here. Nice instructions how to use the watch in GMT, how to remove the bracelet. What we got here, here's the warranty card for the watch, and ta-da! So here is the watch itself. It's obviously not the brand new watch because there are some scratches on the case, and this is the watch that they sent for me to do a review, and it looks pretty nice. I like the design, and so far it looks really nice in the metal. At the first glance, I'm not disappointed. The watch looks nice, although it looks a little bit bigger than I was expecting. It's a 39mm watch, supposed to be, if I'm not mistaken. And to me, it looks like almost 40mm watch. Or maybe now, maybe it is smaller compared to my Tudor 41. Hello here. At the first glance, everything looks very nice. I like the design again, I like the bezel, I like the finishing, and everything looks pretty good. And the watch is not cheap, but it's not really expensive like some other watches. I like it. And it has open case, so you can see the movement. Let me show you the movement right here. Here it is. It is branded with Christopher Ward sign here. The watch is rated 150 meters of water resistance, and it has a screw down crown here. Okay. Try to set up the time, the right time here. Not sure how to operate the GMT hand yet. For now I did set up the time, and we'll see, I need to set up the date. Today we have 4th, so okay, I got it. On the second position, if you go forward, you is setting up the GMT hand. If you go in the opposite direction, you setting up the date. All right, perfect. I like it. Pretty simple. And third position is to set up the time. So let's set up the date, which is 4th today. All right. Let me screw this down, back. Okay, it works pretty smoothly. The screw down crown works pretty smoothly on the first glance, and it seems that it's pretty simple to operate the watch. Again, I want to say that I love the design of the watch. Not 100% sure about the hour hand. Maybe another design would be better. Not really big fan of the Trident here, the Trident logo here, but I guess it's like Christopher Ward touch what we have. I love the orange accents here on the GMT hand and on the writings here and the second hand. So overall, my impression is pretty good so far. I like the bracelet. The bracelet looks nice, doesn't look cheap, doesn't feel cheap. The bracelet sits nicely. At my first glance, the fixed bezel aligned perfectly. Let's try it on my wrist. Okay. I have a 17 centimeters wrist, and the size is good. I like how it sits on my wrist. The bracelet has extra links, which is plenty for bigger wrist, I guess. So that's how it is. That's how it sits, and it is pretty comfortable, I must say. I'm curious to explore more about the watch and learn more about them. So far, that's how it looks. That's how it fits. That's what it comes with. The quality seems really nice. The packaging is great. And I think it is a very fair price to pay for a Swiss-made GMT watch. So stay tuned for my more in-depth review about this C63 Sealander GMT Christopher Ward watch. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye now and take care.